So you have to write a narrative essay. Wow. What will you talk about? If you recently have the assignment to write a narrative essay, you may be asking yourself these questions. What is a narrative essay? And how is it different from other essays? How do I write a narrative essay so that it would impress my teacher? Let's start here. What is a narrative essay? A narrative essay is an essay in which you tell a story from your point of view or personal experience, providing specific and sensory details and dialogue to get readers involved and understand your point. A narrative essay tells a story. In most cases, this is a story about a personal experience. This type of essay, along with the descriptive essay, allows a personal and creative view. Narrative is a representation of your story, not a story itself. Let's say you reshuffle the order of events in your story. You'll have the same story, but with a new narrative. Narrative turns a story into information and influences the way readers will perceive it. In other words, narrative builds your story. So your narrative essay is the type of paper where you tell a story about a particular format and all elements of storytelling. Okay, we know what you are thinking. Keep calm. Everything's easier than it seems. The purpose of narrative essays is to tell a story to your readers. It's their fundamental purpose. You, the writer, tell about the personal experience, but also make a point for readers to understand why you tell about it and why your story is important to share. In a narrative essay, you simply guide a reader and allow them to draw one of their own conclusions. You don't criticize anything and you don't try to persuade them with arguments to prove them anything. That's exactly what makes a narrative essay different from other academic papers. Let's compare. So, a persuasive essay is to persuade with definite arguments as a rational mood and analytical objectives in third person, such as a political magazine. But a narrative essay is to inform. The mood is emotional and imaginative, and the style is subjective and in first person, maybe like The New Yorker. Doing so, you learn to voice your opinion, views, and beliefs to the world. You learn to express and share thoughts consistently and intriguingly so people would get involved and inspired by your story. It's all about storytelling. A human brain retains 70% of information through stories and 95% through emotions. So the only way to make people want to listen to you is to tell them a story. And such writing assignments as narrative essays help you to learn how to tell stories so that others will listen to you. Your narrative, if written right, is the best way to share views and make others see the world through your eyes. It's the best way to make them listen, broaden the mind, and be more creative about their own experiences and lives. What are the characteristics of a narrative essay? This is important. A narrative essay doesn't equal a short story. It's not fiction. It's still an academic paper. Non-fiction writing about an experience that actually happened. If you write a fictional story, it's no longer a narrative essay. Let's compare the two. So, the narrative essay characteristics are informal, written in first person. So, you are a storyteller here, with the purpose to inform, not argue or teach. A narrative describes a person, a scene, or an event in details in chronological order. Non-fictional tells about the actual experience, includes the elements of a story, but follows the structure of an essay.